Tata IPL 2025 Hyderabad vs Rajasthan. Schedule: both team playing 11. Schedule date 23 March. Time 3:30 p.m. Indian time. Venue: Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium. Hyderabad team playing 11. Number 1 Travis Head, left-handed batsman. Number 2 Abhishek Sharma, left-handed batsman. Number 3 Ishan Kishan, wicket-keeper batsman. Number 4 Nitish Reddy, right-handed batsman. Number 5 Hendricks Klassen, wicket-keeper right-handed batsman. Number 6 Abhinav Manohar, right-handed batsman. Number 7 Harshal Patel, fast bowler. Number 8 Pat Cummins, captain, fast bowler. Number 9 Rahul Chahar, spin bowler. Number 10 Mohammad Shami, fast bowler. Number 11 Adam Jampa, spin bowler. Rajasthan team playing 11. Number 1 Yashasvi Jaiswal, left-handed batsman. Number 2 Sanju Samson, wicket-keeper batsman. Number 3 Nitish Rana, left-handed batsman. Number 4 Riyan Porak, captain, batting all-rounder. Number 5 Dhruv Jurel, wicket-keeper batsman. Number 6 Shimron Hetmeyer, left-handed batsman. Number 7 Shubham Dube, left-handed batsman. Number 8 Wanendu Hasaranga, bowling all-rounder. Number 9 Jofra Asar, fast bowler. Number 10 Mahish Thiksana, spin bowler. And number 11 Sandeep Sharma, fast bowler. Thanks for watching in my YouTube channel's video and subscribe now.